We're back to face-to-face classes. Random notes talaga. The Diamond Hybrid mattress. Welcome back to my vlog. It's another uni vlog. For today, it's going to be a long school day for me since we're back to face-to-face classes again for the first 2 weeks of our classes. Puro online class lang kami, and I think napansin nyo rin yun sa mga vlogs ko. It's because of the weather here in the Philippines, but today we're back to normal. Today is going to be a long day since I have classes until 9:15 p.m. So that means gabi na ako makakauwi dito sa house. But yeah, I'm excited, but I'm also scared. Kinda. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ba ng energy ko na hanggang 9:15 p.m. ako nasa campus. But before anything else, I'm going to grab coffee or matcha kasi mayroong pick-up coffee na near dito sa village namin. Pupuntahan ko muna yon. And at the same time, that's like my morning exercise na din. So, hindi siya super lapit dito sa village. So, parang kailangan ko pa rin talaga maglakad. Pwede rin naman ako mag-jog or mag-run. Pero parang iniisip ko, sayang yung energy ko kasi baka kailanganin ko yun since hanggang 9:15 p.m. nga ako. I'm just going to change my outfit kasi mukhang pambahay to guys and nakakahiya naman maglakad sa labas. So, yeah, magpapalit lang ako ng damit and I'll catch you later. Let's go! Okay, so I'm back. I have my matcha na finally. First matcha of the day. Kasi feeling ko bibili din ako sa campus mamaya. I have another one. This is for my ate. I'm just gonna give this to her. Ate! Thanks! Need to go. Anyway, I know hindi pa ako nagre-breakfast, guys. I usually make my matcha at home. I use the ceremonial matcha powder that I got online. So I will link it below if you guys wanna get it. But since wala yung mga tools ko to make my matcha here, wala din akong milk dito, eto na lang muna tayo. Okay din naman yung sa pickup coffee. I mean, mas gusto ko yung pickup coffee na matcha over Starbucks. And kaya nga sabi ko, for sure, hindi lang ito yung matcha na makikita nyo for this vlog. So before I leave the house, guys, and before I get ready talaga, I'll do a quick haul since I got a few stuff for my room and also for school. So I'll just share them with you guys. So let's start with this one. This is from Beyond the Vines. So thank you so much Beyond the Vines for sending these. This is their dumpling bag. Wait, let me unbox it first. Since I have PE this term, so I decided to get yung largest size ng dumpling bag nila. Wait, nakakapagtaka kasi this is XL. Literally XL. Oh! So, ganito yung size niya, guys. Ayan. I decided to invest na talaga sa durable na bag just because I know I'm gonna be using it a lot. And knowing me kasi, hindi talaga ako super maingat sa gamit. So, actually, kapag may dala akong bag, ginagawa ko na sila. So, that's also the reason why I got black. Tomorrow, I have PE kasi every Tuesday yung PE ko. But every Monday, puro majors ako. So, I'm not sure though if gagamitin ko na to agad bukas. I don't know. Let's see. If hindi man, for sure next week naman. And I also got a new set of Muji notebooks. You guys know I love Muji. At this point in channel ko, parang sponsored na siya ng Muji. Pero hindi talaga. Bumibili lang talaga ako sa kanila. But I got their normal notebooks, you know. Actually, ito din yung set na binili ko nung nag-Singapore kami. So I just got a new set because ibang notebooks ko hindi ko na mahanap. This is so helpful kasi. And knowing me, I really like notebooks talaga na medyo maninipis talaga. Can you see this? If I buy yung sobrang kapal na notebooks, nape-pressure ako magsulat or matapos siya. Pero kapag maninipis lang, hindi nakaka-pressure sulatan. Of course, no-brainer, I got another dotted notebook. This is something na laging nasa school supplies haul ko. You can never go wrong with a dotted P5 notebook. This one is just from Lazada, by the way. Random notes talaga. Because this one, I can use it for my majors, ganon. But this one, random na talaga. Like, I can even use this as my planner. From Muji also, I got itong pencil case lang nila. This pen for sample purposes. Pero yung pencil case lang talaga yung binili ko. And I also got myself itong canvas. Kasi guys, I kind of wanna invest on things and buy things na makaka-improve ng aking mental health. I used to paint before pero natigil yun. I don't know why. So I thought of, you know, going back to that routine. Speaking of investing, if you guys watched yung previous vlog ko, you would know na I finally got my dream mattress from Emma. Para ma-explain ko sa inyo fully. So this is the Emma Sleep Diamond Hybrid Mattress. I unboxed this sa previous vlog ko. Actually, if tatanungin yung parents ko, alam nila na gusto ko talaga makakuha ng Emma mattress. Kasi lagi ko nga siya nakikita online. Habang nag-shopping kami ng mattresses, of course, sa ibang rooms. Like, room sila mommy, room sila daddy, ganun. I mean, yeah, meron talagang mas mura or like mas budget-friendly. Pero yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin, guys, out of all the mattresses online, it's Emma. As in the durability, the softness, and it truly promises to deliver that much-needed good night's sleep. I've been getting the best sleep ever because of Emma. It's also really convenient to order from Emma. They offer free delivery nationwide. And yung pinaka-amazed ako, which is their 100-night trial. You can try out their mattresses for 100 days, and if hindi nyo nagustuhan, you can just return it to them with no fees at all. Yung mattress na meron ako right now is the Diamond Hybrid mattress. But if you're looking for an affordable option, but still from Emma, they also offer Original Mattress 2.0 and the Emma Air. I believe it offers the same quality rin naman. So, you guys have the options. So yeah, shinare ko lang naman ulit since I was talking about investing things for myself and for my room. So if you're planning to get your own mattress or buy anything from Emma, make sure to use my code YTNicoleT10 and that will give you additional 10% off. Sobrang dami nilang sales sa website nila. But you can use my code pa to get additional 10% off. So super dami yung masisave talaga. So yeah, anyway, I have to get ready now. My class starts at 12:45 pa naman, but I still have to travel kasi. And since it's a Monday, hopefully makag-book ako ng Grab na mabilis.
Mr. Biggest. Biggest sofa. Papakon ka makapaglasin.
Guys, it's very good. Guys, it's very good. Parang parang napisto yung face. Pero pag down naman daw kung mahaba. Ang init. Let's go yung may G2 life.
Class, mindful, like Chinese, because every time I do tomorrow, which is tomorrow, how come the class average has must be good? For a change. What do you like? Ibang tapos din naman.
Hi guys, Gian. Hello.
You know your groups already, right?
Yes.
Sit according to your groups already.
Group 1. Yeah, group 1. Tignan natin. Okay guys, today is Tuesday. I only have one class for today. It's RG dance. And uwi na rin ako after nito. It's just 2 hours. the fit?
어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아. 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.